event display. Last video from us was event bar. Now we will see event display, how event display is working, which setting we have here. This is our event display. You can find this from here. This is same to alarm display, but here in event display we have too much settings. So I just want to show which settings we have here. First is enabling register. Second one, this area, this tab, which parameters we have here. One by one I will explain you. So first, display type range. So types I already explained you in event information. Also we have types here. When you make events, you can select also types. And here all was about the type, sequence number, length. So this is the number, this length of this one area. So downside things, acknowledge types. Okay, I only make click. When acknowledge when you saw and see your event and you one time click. So this one is acknowledge it that your event is becoming this color. So orange color. So you saw, you acknowledge this event, and that when the event come back to normal, becoming black, and when you select is becoming, okay, is red. One time this color I will show you. Kinco offline simulation, and now so this is a number, this is triggering date and triggering time, confirm time. So this is acknowledge time. When I click, when I saw this event, you can see. So that one is now is selected. Okay. If this one is this alarm. Now when it's becoming to normal, so that's one becoming black. Okay. Now you can see under this, by selecting, the red color is blinking. So I select this red color was from here, from my setting. Okay, this was about on the color. The character space here we have. So this is very important here. From here, when your alarm, when your event, if I can by default is disabled. So now what is different things here? Example, this alarm is happening again. Example M1. On off, on off, on off. I want to remove this alarm from this list. So I don't want to keep, because this alarm is happening 4-5 times here. I need to reset. Okay. For this we have clean event one by one. So on to off. Okay. Or which I want to use this register by to on to off, or by on to off reset. Okay, one time. And I will, this is my extend for reset, and I can use only one reset. Okay, I can go offline simulation and we see how we can. Okay, now M1 is on, now M1 is resetting. Okay, I select and I clean. Okay, one time I clean. By one resetting is clean. This one I cannot clean. When I clean again is come. Clean again is come, because it's not in normal time. Now can reset. Okay. So this was only for resetting here. Okay. Downside. The downside is only for design. You can see for background color, border color, I can make black. See, you can see border color is black, and border width 1. Okay, now you can see. And also what we have here, row space, I can make 10. Things. Yeah, this is a both row, and this one is called separator setting. A separator setting I can make like this, and color I can make black. Okay, this was a separator line and colors here. Okay, title is here, number, trigger, data, trigger time, confirm, and this message. I can also disable this. I know it, so my title. Okay, I can go and again I enable, and I can also change my this okay, I enable number. I want to change another name, example, okay, number. Okay, now you can see in title is change this number name. Taking undo, define back. Okay, this area only for our, or I can change here is events, only for the titles. And here, this list which type of the information in our event display we have. Sequence number I can disable. So this is my sequence number. You can see I don't have sequence number. It's better. Trigger time, acknowledge time, return to normal time, extend time format. So this is for this 3 for the format, return timers. Okay, now I go and offline simulation. This is a trigger time, so this time is happen. Okay, I make M2 is on. Now this is a trigger time. When I confirm or acknowledge, time is recording. When is recovery, also time is recording here. Okay, this only for time. Okay, no need acknowledge, time is better. Okay, precise time format here, event confirm date time, also I can only show and recover it, only show recover it, cumulative time, cumulative count, current count. Okay, show what is showing from here. Now count is 1. So here it's very good, because if I disable this, if I disable event cumulative counter, if I disable, so every time is happening, adding to list. Now you can see how many times one event happening. When I enable cumulative, so it's counting. Okay, so this event happening 10 times or 15 times. Now you can see this event happening 1 time. Okay, M1 I on second time. So now you can see counting is working, cumulative counting is working, but is not so in one row is I want to see only one row. Cumulative count and current count also. Now, so here, so it's not in one list. Why? It is accumulating time. That is adding to list. Yes, accumulating count. Okay, this is only for accumulating. Show event label, show event time. This label and time we have here. This is the type, this one is label. Okay, other settings. This was all about the event information here. We saw all settings. So event extending information here. Event extending information here is what we have. So use total entry. So by default this one is disabled. Okay, I enable this. So my total event I can stay in LW10. Okay, here. And uh, when you off to on LB10, acknowledge one key to acknowledge event. So for example, in this list, in event list, I have 10 events. So for acknowledge, I need to select one by one, okay? But if I add one button to in this register, example LB10, this is LB10, okay? If I add one register here, so this means I saw all event lists, okay? Now I can show run simulation. Now this is my total events. If I on another is 3. So now for knowledge need to click here, okay? But for all I need to one by one click. But if I press this button, all is means acknowledge and time is recording here, okay? Later this I remove. Okay. Now event for extend information we saw, so we can see total number and we can use another acknowledge button or bit for acknowledge all my events here. Select color. When I select background color, I can make like this. I think it's working now. That's what is here. Select it. Select color. Back to normal and acknowledge color. So I don't find. So another information. Event detail info output. Okay. When I select some event, I want to see my event ID. So example, this is a 6 event, this is a first event, this one is 0 events. Okay, I just want to see this event information. This is here in event info output. Okay, also right after when I select some event, so it's not means I want to give some bit to one example LB20. So I want to on this LB. Okay, we go and offline simulation. Now this event ID is 2, total 2. So you can see M1 off. Event is this ID. Okay, M1 is off is ID 2. And the 1 and this one is second. Okay, this one is, sorry, this is total 2. This one event info is number 1. And this one is number 6. Okay, this is number 6. This is ID here. And you can see this LB when I select some event, any event, this LB is becoming is on. Why? Because I right here in info details, info output. So when I select or right after notice notify, so LB20 should be on. This is LB20. So this was all about the event information. So event information display. So this event information display here, like this is tape setting, parameters, registers, and designation all we have here.